General Science Standard 8 Chapter 3 Force and Pressure. Exercise Force and Pressure. Question number 1. Write proper word in the blank space. Question number 2. Make a match. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in brief. A. B. C. Question number 4. Why does it happen? A. B. C. D. Question number 5. Complete the following table. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 8. Project. Video record all the experiments tried in this chapter with the help of mobile phone and send to others. Now we have done. Goodbye. See you soon.